Campus security. Campus security is one of the most important factor nowadays. The campus can be anything: school campus, college campus, company campus, or IT park campus, or anything. Even you can see the wedding campus or cricket match campus. They are also campus. Simply in this system, what we have to do? Uh, Suppose we will take the example of cricket campus. Now today I will implement a same demo on cricket campus. So I am taking a scenario in such a way that there is a match between India and Australia. So Indian dressing room had implemented this campus security. Okay, what they have implemented, they have selected that 11 players. As you can see here, I have taken the 11 players of India, Indian cricket team. I have taken 11 players. These are 11 players. What Indian team have decided that only this player will be allowed in dressing room. No other than that player will be allowed in dressing room. Okay. So what they have done, that they have connected all the dressing room cameras to this system. Means it's not compulsory that you have to use your own camera. You can use your own camera, but you can also use your external cameras. Suppose you are implementing this system in your college, so you can also use a college camera for this same purpose. Okay. So what I have done, that I have connected all the cameras of cricket dressing room here. The match is between India and Australia. So I'm securing that no one other than that 11 players will come to the dressing room. Okay. So what I have connected the cameras to this my system. So it is not possible now to show me a demo. So I have captured some images and put into a captured folder, because it is not possible me to capture images like this. The images will be captured when face will be in front of camera, the automatically the image will be captured. I am assuming that this all images are captured by my dressing room camera. Okay. Then simply I will go to my system. There are many options in front of me: sorted, unknown person, all unknown person, known person, and captured. Okay. Simply firstly I will check who are the known person who came to dressing room. Okay. Jasprit Bumrah, KL Rahul, MS Dhoni, Rishabh Pant, Yuzvendra Chahal, and Virat Kohli. These are all are the Indian team players who uh, of course they will be in dressing room. Okay. So I will see who are the unknown person who visited a Indian dressing room. As you can see here, Pat Cummins, Adam Zampa, Anushka Sharma with Virat Kohli. So Anushka Sharma is unknown person. David Warner, Smith, Mike Stones, and Glenn Maxwell. Also, they have visited to the dressing room. So this is what the fraud is detected, that these are all unknown persons who not supposed to be visited in that Indian dressing room, but they found in Indian dressing room. So these are sorted, means only single pick of a player is taken here, all unknown. As you can see here, that here it is found that Maxwell visited twice, because there are two times he had get captured in camera. Okay. Known, as we seen, a known, all known person who were captured in camera. And captured, what images did the camera capture? As you can see here, all the images that camera had captured. Okay. This is all about a campus security. Basically you can implement the campus security anywhere, in any type of campus or any application you can build using this. It can be official application or unofficial application.